In today's digital age, programming is not just a skill, it is a gateway to endless opportunities. Do you know Python is #1 programming language in the world since last 2 years, because it is used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and beyond. But for many students, the journey into learning programming can feel overwhelming because current books and video lectures bombard the programming syntax on the learners. That is where we come in. Introducing our Python Masterclass, where we demonstrate why you are learning the concept and how to build the logic using those concepts to solve real-world problems. With our simple and effective curriculum, learning Python has never been easier. From understanding variables to writing functions, from conditions to loops, from lists to dictionaries and data frames, we guide you through every step of the way. These are the very same materials that we have used personally with our thousands of students to accelerate their programming journey. Led by expert instructors, our course offers 80 video lectures, hands-on practice on real-world examples, and sample projects, ensuring you're ready to tackle any coding challenge and develop any business application. Plus, with our supportive online community and personalized feedback from instructors, you'll never feel alone on your coding journey. And the best part? It is absolutely free and it is in Urdu. So, don't let the fear of coding hold you back. It's the time to stand on the shoulders of CS experts and explore the world of programming. Enroll today and unlock your full potential with our Python Masterclass. Let's code your future together.